Hello everyone, today we are going to do fractions and we are going to discuss all the types of fractions. First, what is a fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole group. You take a circle and divide it into three parts. And you can also do this. You divide it into five parts. And if you shade it one, and you shade it two, how many parts are shaded? You count one and the two. So two, and how many parts are left? Three. These are three. Three parts are left. So we need to know what a fraction is. So 2 by 3, this is a fraction of this digit. So the number of the how many you shade you write up, and how many you not shade you write down, and it also comes in very different form. And what are these things known? This up this up this up digit is known as numerator. This up digit is known as numerator. Numerator, and this down digit is called denominator. Denominator. So let's discuss all the like improper fractions. Denominator, and remember that up is denominator, up is numerator, and down is denominator. First, let's start like fraction. Fraction having the same denominators. If we 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 9 by 7, like it is not in order. You can put any numerator, but if the denominators are same, this group is called a like fraction. What are unlike fraction? Unlike fraction are like it's anything, like 3 by 9, 7 by no 7 by what do I write? 15, 61 by 72, 11 by 10. So these are all unlike fraction. Nothing is same and everything is different. Now, what is equivalent fraction? Equivalent fractions are very easy. If you know how to divide fractions with the process, so if we cut this 1 2, just 1 by 2, and if we also cut this also get 1 by 2, and this 2 1 by 2, and this 6 1 by 6 6 2 by 2 1 by 2. All the answers are 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2. If we did 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, all are 1 by 2. All of 1 by 2, and they are having the same value. These things are we divide and having the same value 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2 is already 1 by 2, so this is also same value 1 by 2 1 by 2. And if we divide and all the numbers come same, that group is called an equivalent fraction. What are unit fraction? Unit fractions are very easy. The numerator is only 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 12, 1 by 408. These only anything is the numerator, only one is up, and that are called unit fractions. Now we will learn what are proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. First, proper fraction. Proper fraction is that numerator is small and the denominator is big, like 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 9 by 18. These are like denominators. The numerators are small and the denominators are big. These are called improper fraction, and improper fraction is the just ulta. So I want to also tell you what is this. This, like the both are same digit, this also count as 1. As we take a thing and divide it into three parts, and like shade all, and nothing is left, and we can count and that is known as 1. And but this thing also is improper fraction. Improper fraction comes like 7 by 5, 11 by 10, 9 by 9 by 4. These are all improper fraction. The numerator are big. The numerator are big. But if the don't get confused in this. If the numerator and denominator are same, that is an improper fraction. And 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 the numerator is big and the denominator is small. These are all improper fraction. And this group is called improper fraction. So now we will see mixed fraction. In mixed fraction we can also convert like improper to mixed and mixed to improper. We will do that in a while. After this mixed fraction topic we will do the same thing. So mixed fraction are only like consists of three numbers. The whole number is consists of a whole number and a part of the whole number are called mixed fraction. For example, 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4, 9, 3, 7, 11. These are all, there are 3 digits. So now we are going to learn how to do. First, like there are processes in how to do converting into mixed fraction, and we will do only that. So I know this process. So first we do improper to mixed. First we do improper to mixed. First we take a improper fraction. And first thing, this is a thing. If you need to get it, let's make an improper fraction like 6 by 4. And let's do 13 by 12. 13. Let's do 13 by 5. And we need to divide it by 13. And there is a thing, if remainder is not coming, and if remainder is coming, if remainder is not coming, it is not possible to make mixed fraction without a denominator. So we need, without a remainder, and these are not these two are not divisible. So there's 2 by 10. 3. This if we divide this, but how we make a mixed fraction? First, we see there's remainder. We put the remainder first. The remainder first, and the denominator is always same 5. What is the quotient? This is 2. This is the answer. 3 is up. Well, 3 is up, and 2 go left in the line, right before the line, and the denominator is always same. Now how we convert this into this? So there's also another process, but it is not like this. It is a little different. So let's do it. First, let's take a mixed fraction. For example, let's take 2, 4 or 2, 4, 9. So first we need to take 4. 4 equals, the denominator is always going to be same, and 9 multiplied by 2, and no, I think we divide 9 divided by 2 and 2 divided by 4. It is like it is written somewhere. Oh, this is first we multiply. So first we multiply with 9 by 2, then plus with 4. So we need to find this formula like this. 9 multiplied by 2, and we need to put a box, and plus 4. This is the formula. First we need to 9 multiplied by 2. 9 by 2, 18. 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4. Let's calculate it in our rough work. Let's 18 plus 4. What is 18 plus 4? If you got the answer, 18 plus 4 is this 22. So 22, 8, 4, 4 on the 4, 4 to 8, 4 to 8, 12, and 4 that. And if the answer comes this, we can if we do this all equation, we will get 22, and the denominator is always same, and this is always come 9. We need to remember this. Where is the shop? First we need to multiply with this, then plus with the up digit. and there is no divide, no subtraction, where subtraction doesn't even come. There is no, there first we multiply with this 2 digit, then plus with 4, then that's how we can get this 22/9. So let's erase it. Now let's do something. Yes. So let's do this. I will show you something with this. What is 3 by 5 equals 9 by dash? What is this? So if we know we need to do table in this. It is like nothing here. 3 divided by 9. You can also, if you know table, you can do fast. 3 9s are 3 1s are 3, 2 3, 3 3s are 9. In 3 multiply by 3 3s are 9, and 3 5. And if we do the same thing in 5, 3 5 and the 5 to the 10, 5 3 is 15. The answer is this. We don't need to write this. You can just raise it when you do this. The answer is this. This is very simple and there is nothing hard. If you need to know tables in this. Now we will know how to compare. Like this crocodile works. Like the big numbers, key crocodiles. This is also in fractions. So first how we do it? Let's take a question like 3 by 13 plus 9 by 13. So this is not hard. There is no process in this. 13 multiply by 13. No, 13 multiply 13. But if the denominator is same and 3 by 9, what is the big digit? 9. So 9 is come here. So the denominator is same, then then denominator is same. We only check this numerator. But what if the denominator is not same? For example, 6 by 10 and 6 by 10 box, 6 by 10 box, 7 by 11. This is a process, small process, not hard. It's a very small process. First, 6 multiply by 11. You do that this, 6, 11. Multiply by 11. Then we take this 7, 10. 7 multiply by 10. We do this and this. This is also known as cross multiplication. If you do this, look, it is a cross. It is a cross. So 6 by 10, 7 by 11. So if we do the answer, 11 tables 66, and this is always 70. Which one is big? The big one is this 70. And if the 70 is, check the numerator, 7. The 7 is the numerator and the 7 comes in this digit. So this is the answer. It is very easy. Only we need to do cross multiplication in this. And there is nothing very hard to learn in this. And there is also ascending order, descending order. It is a long process. It is also hard. I also failed hard. But when I did it for first, I'm going to give you a question. For example, 5 by 9, 7 by 12, 13 by 16, 15 by 18. So this is the first. You know all the denominators. These are all the denominators. We take LCM. If you know LCM, yes, LCM and HCF is only in class 4. It is not hard. It is division. So it is division. First we take all the denominators, 12, 16 and 18. These are all the denominators. So now we divide it. First I will take 3. 3 1 is 3, 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. We need to take LCM, not HCF. 3 1 is 3, 2 is 6, 3 is 9. 3 4 is 12. 3 6 is 18. 16 comes in 3 tables. Say 3 in 16 doesn't come in 3 tables. So we can only put exactly, don't change it. So now we'll do it 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 8, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, and it doesn't come, so we do this. Now let's do 3. These two are 1, 2, 8. Now there's 2 left. 1, 1, and there is 8. If we do a 2 again, 2 on the 2, 2 the 4, 2 the 2, 4 on the 8, 2 on the 2, 2, 2 on the 2, and there is 1. So if we did this for an example, this is the answer. This is the whole LCM. This is a big LCM. This is a big LCM. We also need to put comma. What? And we put LCM. So these all digits we need to take. This is actually 2. Where 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. You need to multiply all these digits. 3, 2, and there is 3, there is 2, and there is 2, 3, 2. And 3 2s. We need to multiply this all. 3 and 3 to the 6. 6 on the side to the 18. 18 multiplied by 2 equals 18 on the 36. 36 multiplied by 2. 72. And there is an 18 multiplied by 18 on the 18, 18 to the 36. 36, 72. We need to do one more time. Answer is 144. So let's answer is 144. So if we take 144, we put a big line. The big line. We need to do the same. If you remember in mixed fraction we did what we say. We did first multiply with this digit and plus with this digit. But this time we need to divide with this digit and multiply with the upper digit. So let's do this. 9 divided by 144. That is a very big process, right? It's taking a lot of time. 9 with the 9 and 9 with the 9. And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there is 5 left. There is 5 left. Then 9, 54. 9 the 9 and 2 is 89. 9 and 2 is 89. 3 the 10 is 9 for the 36. 9 for the 45. 9 6 is 54. 9 6 is 54. So it is no coming remainder, so it is good. If remainder is coming, means that your LCM is wrong. If remainder is coming, it means your LCM is wrong. Then 16 is the answer. 16 is the answer, so we multiply by 5. So 16 on the 16, 16 to the 32, 16 to the 48, 16 for the 64, 16, let's multiply. 10 5 to the 15, 5 for the 25, for the 25, from the 30. So 30 is the answer. 5 on the 5, then 5 multiplied by 3 equals 8, then 80 is the answer. Then we put 80. And if we do this process all over again, we need to do all of these 3-digit process. Feels big, right? Now 7 by 12. Now we divided by 12. 1 4 4. 12 on the 12. Then 2. Then no, this is coming 0. Oh, I made a mistake. This is coming 0. 2. Then we take this. 2 on the 12 on the 12, and 2 is the 24. Answer is 12. Then 7 multiply by 12. 12 on the 12 and 2 is the 20 over 20 is the 36. 12 for the 48. 12 5 is the 60. 12 6 is the 20 over 12. Let's multiply it. 12 7 on the 7 into the 14. I know 12. I know 22, but I don't know why I cannot multiply it right now. 7 on the 14. 7 on the 7. Then 84. 84 is the answer. Now this we need to do all digits. 16. 16 comes in 144. I think 16 on the 16, 16 to the 30, 16 to the 40, 16 for the 61, 16 for the 80, 16 6 and 96, 16 side the 112, 16 and the 120, 16 and the 144, 16 9 the 144. And you can also check by this. 16 on the 16. Into the 48, 16 for the 80 over 16 over the 80, 16, 56, 16 for the 112, 16 over 120, 16 on the 116. This is a whole 16 table. So we use 144 consider as, so this is 9. So 9 multiplied by 13. Yes, 9 1 9 9. Yes, multiply it. 1 9 and 2 is 18 and 3 is 27. So 27 9 1 is 9 and we get 11. 117. 117 is the answer. 9 and 2 is 18 and 3 is 27. So now let's do, look at this space a little less. 18 table, I know 18 tables come in 140. 144 comes in 18 tables. So let's write it. 18 1 is 18, 82 is 32. 2 multiple 72, 18 is 90, 18 is 1, 3 1, 18 is 1, 20, 18 is 9, 18 is 1, 62, 18 is 180. If you see this, you can look, 144 is in the 8th digit. So 8 multiplied by 15. So 8 multiplied by 15, I think it's 135. No, 120. It is 120. So if we see, like, it is always come, let's like multiply it. 15 multiplied by 18. Oh my god, mistake. So what was the answer? 8. So let's 8 5 is 40 and 8 1 is 8. We get 4 and 12. Wait, do again. 12 120. So let's write 120. Then we do 80 minus 144 and 84 minus 144 17 117 144 and 120 144. So we have done all this. Now I will see for a bit. Second. 5.2. We are doing 5.2 exercise in my school book. 15 for 5.2 B part 5.2 will be, okay, there it is. So I'm doing right, and if I'm doing in descending order. I mean, you are thinking like I'm doing ascending. I'm doing in descending order, and I'm doing right. So in the biggest digit is 120. In all of the numerator, 120 is the biggest digit. And if we do this 15 by 18, and the second is 177, and then 84, then 80. 177, second digit. So this is the third digit. So the third digit is 13 by 16. And 84 is the second digit, so 1 by 2, then the second digit is 10 by 12, then the 80 is the last digit, so we will only put 5 by 9. If we need to see the biggest digit, we are doing descending order, so the biggest digit, ascending, the process is same in ascending. So the biggest digit, the one you taking the second, these first and second, and if we take the question first and second, the answer is this: 15 by 18, then 13 by 16, then 7 by 12, then 5 by 9. This is descending order. Descending order. Not right, it is very down. Descending order. This is all descending order. So this is the same, this all same process goes to in ascending order. I always learn like this, like it is a very long process, a very